Hi everyone, it's Paola. So I am back with another video. What do you expect? And today is really exciting because it's actually my first ever sponsored video. So yes, this video is sponsored and I am so excited because I have had this video idea without a really clear direction for a while, and then I came across this opportunity with PicsArt and I was like, oh my god, this is perfect because PicsArt is an app that I already use. It's already in my phone. I use it all the time. I literally am obsessed with it and I just love editing photos like crazy in different ways for social media and just for myself. And this is honestly the perfect sponsor because it's something that I genuinely love, and now it's hashtag spons. So I am just thrilled with this sponsorship because I'm totally obsessed with posting on social media and posting on Instagram specifically, and I love making collages and just editing things in crazy colors and changing things, manipulating images to create cool graphic designed things. And that's not always possible when you don't have the fancy like computer applications like Adobe, like Photoshop, and I understand that not everyone has those because they're obviously expensive, and if you're not a graphic designer, why would you invest in that? So it is really cool that you can use all of these really inexpensive and free apps to post on social media and make really cool images and just be a graphic designer, but from your phone. And I think that is like the coolest idea, and I've wanted to talk about it for so long, so I'm so excited that I get to partner with PicsArt for this video. So I use like a lot of different apps to post for different things, and honestly I'll go through like 5 different apps just for one photo, and it sounds really excessive, but it's honestly really fun to me. I mean, true graphic designer at heart, like I love just editing photos and I like making fresh content for the kids. You guys being the kids in this situation. I like making content for you. But I use a lot of different things. Like I use the VSCO cam, and I use like things to make things disappear in the background. I make things change colors in another app, and I add sparkles in another app. So I'm going crazy all the time with apps, and photo editing is honestly so much fun. So I'm going to show you what I use today, and we're gonna do a little tutorial on how to use PicsArt. Okay, so this is PicsArt, and it is such a cool app because there's so much that you can look at and discover and get inspired by on here, and I just love it. So let's edit a photo. So there are so many cool things you can do on here. You can basically change the color of anything in effects. You could blur the whole photo if you wanted. You can replace the color of things in here. So what I'm going to do is make a sticker basically of myself. So I'm going to hit the cutout button. I'm going to hit this, which just basically figures out exactly where you are, which I think is so cool. You don't even have to like trace yourself. And then I'm just going to hit save. And look, I've created a sticker of myself. And basically I can do whatever I want because I can put the sticker right on top and it's not going to cover the face. So if I cover the face here, it really doesn't matter. So I'm going to do a little bit of creative drawing here. Now we can go into sticker. I can grab my sticker and we can just add that to the pic. I'm going to add some sort of pattern or something into the background. So we're gonna hit the sticker button again, and then we can search for stickers anywhere in here. And then we can erase whatever we need to erase. So last thing I want to do is I want to draw a few little lines on my face. So I'm going to hit the draw button, and then when you tap on things you can change all of your preferences for everything. Now I can save it, saved to photos, and then when I go and open my photos, it's right there. So you can do a lot of cool things with PicsArt. On my Instagram, I have done a few of my own that you probably didn't even know. I changed the whole color of this room. It was a yellow room. I changed it pink. I've done a bunch of different little collage things, with PicsArt, and it's just so much fun to use, and the possibilities really are endless. I also did this edit just to show you something else that you could do with PicsArt, and I just wanted to show a few other options of different collages, and honestly, I'm having so much fun. I really can't stop editing now, so get to it and get editing yourself. So you can basically be a designer with PicsArt. It is so much fun. My username, if you want to find me, is Paola Kassa, and I will definitely be posting all of my PicsArt creations. So in terms of the other apps I use, I like to use VSCO Cam for all of my regular types of edits, cropping the photo, changing the white balance, brightening, and of course all their cool filters. I like to use Snapseed because there are so many cool things you can do on there, like deleting things in the background and changing the overall setup of the photo. I like using Kirakira because I love adding sparkles to photos recently. I'm going to be posting a lot more with sparkles because I just think it looks so cool. And those are the main apps that I use to edit all my photos besides PicsArt. Okay, so that is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video and my first sponsored video. Like what? Who am I? I don't even know. And thank you so much for all the people who have been subscribing lately, and subscribe if this is your first time watching my channel, and ring the bell, and I will see you in my next video. Also, comment down below what you want to see in future videos. I love talking to you guys in the comments, and I will see you in my next one. Bye! I have something in my eye. This is the end for me.